Want to shop Zara's latest styles right from your Android phone? Here's how to get the official Zara app in just few taps. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on search bar and type in Zara. Hit search and look for the official Zara app. It should have the black and white Zara logo. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on install. It's a free download and only takes a few seconds depending on your connection. Once it's installed, tap open and you'll now have access to Zara's full catalog for women, men and kids. What's the first thing you are shopping for today? New arrivals or a wardrobe refresh? Let me know in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.